Hey, welcome back to Guitars and Games. This is the second guitar in my unboxing video from Thomann, and this is the Harley Benton Fusion Harley Benton Fusion 2 HSH configuration roasted maple neck, and this is the one that I'm really excited about. I think this costs like 300 US, 320, it was around 300 something, 325, 350 US. And this is the one I really wanted to check out, so let's get going. However, the first guitar, the CTS 24 Deluxe, looked great. There was no scratches or anything from shipping on it, so that's well, hopefully I get lucky and this one's just as well. Let's find out. So there's a bunch of stuff just free floating here in the box. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. Let's go in there. And some other paper and some other stuff in here. Let's see here. Got some stickers. Case of fire, you rescue my guitars, and I speak musics, both from Thomann, so that's cool. Some stuff they included in there. The rest of that's just, oh, there's another Allen key just floating around in the box. Probably just came out of the bag. Get this back in here and get this out of the way. Alright, and we got the trem bar and 2 Allen keys, which I think the other third Allen key was just, it fell through the bag, so that's what that was. Alright, let's check out this baby. I was going to rip it because it's going to be easier to take out that way. Alright, this is much lighter than the CTS 24, CST 24, sorry. Again, just spot checking this guitar, and it looks fantastic. I mean, a couple little blemishes there. This dirt will come off. The neck, oh man, this neck just feels fantastic. I don't know how they do it. Again, this guitar is like 300 something bucks with a roasted maple neck shipped to my house. Like, are you kidding me? Anyway, both the CST and this one here, both inspected. Then they both also come with looks like the Dario XL on there. So yeah, just looking. I mean, I just don't know how they do it for that cheap. It's just crazy. It's nuts. One thing I will say, and I'll probably go over this in the other video as well, this is the new one. The original version of this guitar had a retainer bar right here that was causing big problems in tuning stability when using the trem bar, and it looks like they had done some listening to their customers and did away with that. And now they have a roller string tree in here, which would be perfect for this. So I'm going to put this down. I'll get some more videos up. I'm going to do a review of the CST 24 and a review of this Fusion with the roasted maple neck, and I'm looking forward to it. It looks fantastic. So again, thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for hanging out. See you later.